Now, XRP has been rallying, and believe it or not, I was about to just publish a video on XLM, only to, well, get into one of my accounts, and I noticed that it was weirdly green. Like, the number went up so significantly that it sort of caught me off guard. I'm like, wait a minute, what's happening here? And I noticed that my XRP bag had, like, grown significantly. I'm like, wait. I've been sitting so stress-free in the position so far, I didn't even look at the chart today. Get into the XRP chart to find that it's currently sitting at that $2.86 region once again. Now, this looks like it's about to have an explosive move. I'm also noticing a lot of comments from you guys asking me, okay, what's happening here? Should I still be waiting on a pullback? Now, just a quick aside before we move on, for those of you who are new to the Mango Seed program, we have the Seed Mastermind call that happens tomorrow. If you are not already in the Discord chat, please reach out to either me or Sean and we'll add you into the group. Tomorrow, Sean will be taking the stage and dropping a lot of alpha your way, so make sure to be there. We're heading into a very exciting and a very interesting phase of the market. You do not want to miss this. Now, I'm going to be very honest with you. The last time we spoke about XRP, I gave you guys this purple box as the bid opportunity. It was hinged on that 2-day dynamic support. And guys, XRP has been so generous so far. Like, it's been extremely generous for how bullish this asset is, for the amount of mind share it currently has on it. It's been very generous throughout this entire consolidation, because there was this one critical level that we have been talking about now since November, guys, okay, which was the $2 region, $2.01. You guys probably are bored of me harping on about the same level over and over again. Well, it was an annual level, it was a quarterly level, it was a monthly level, and this was the first time that we've actually managed to clear it out. We have done something that XRP has never done before. That was a historic close. Now, why was it generous? Because it gave us 3 taps of a historic level, 3 on the weekly time frame. Now, let's just say you just missed the bid at $2.01. In addition to that, guys, we were looking at one of our best trend indicators here at Mango, which was the Mango Dynamic Indicator on the 2-day time frame. Go ahead and switch that on. Sometimes, guys, in these phases of consolidation where things might seem a bit confusing and you're a bit apprehensive as to what is price going to do, did you end up buying the top? Should you be exiting your position, maybe gunning for a lower bid, or should you be sitting tight in your position? This is where your objective indicators come to play. Now, one such objective indicator we had here was none other than the Mango Dynamic Indicator. We were specifically looking at the 2-day dynamic. Dynamic cloud is currently green. The entire consolidation phase on XRP happened over that dynamic support, over the dynamic cloud. We got a positive slope on it. When the dynamic is green, it's telling you that, hey, the bulls are still very much in control. And more importantly, guys, dynamic support actually lined up with the 201 region. That was giving you that added confirmation, that added confidence in that, hey, this is a good level to be jumping in on, because managing your trade off of this region is going to be simple sauce. All right, in case prices break, you know you're wrong really fast. You get to get out with a minimal loss. Guys, your best trades on the chart are going to be trades that are easy for you to manage. Ask yourself, when you're jumping in, is this going to be an easy trade to manage just in case prices go against me? Now, that's what we were looking for so far. Buyers stepped in well before we could even get that tap. As things stand right now, the dynamic support has moved up. Remember, we get new prints with every new candle that we see on the chart, which is why for those of you actually looking to catch bids on XRP, you might actually have to start moving your bids up in line with that dynamic support, because we get new prints on every candle open. Now, for those of you who do not have access to the Mango Dynamic Indicator, but you guys won the bids on the level, it comes in from $2.30 going all the way down to $2.02. For those of you who have heavy positions on XRP, then I definitely suggest getting the dynamic indicator. You'll find it on the mangoway.com/dynamic. It's almost 6 taps on that dynamic cloud. All right, getting you the most optimal bid at any one of those phases, because every single tap of the dynamic was picked up by the buyers and we saw an immediate rally right off of that. Now, even this one, we overshot a tad bit, but look at that freaking move so far. That's been a good 28% on that rally. Now, for those of you wondering, okay, Krisha, prices have rallied. Can we actually come back down once again? I missed my bid. Should I be FOMOing into position? Well, to get a good gauge on that, let's get into the Mango dashboard. XRP is second on the list, which is ranked in terms of trading volume right there. Now, XRP on the dashboard, longs across the board, bulls are completely in control. In fact, if you caught any of these reversals, you are up at the minimum 12% on the 12-hour time frame. Okay, so this is a freaking amazing picture so far. Volatility, however, is what's giving me pause. Now, we're seeing these red numbers on the volatility profile. Now, every time I see volatility this high and I notice that price is up against resistance, that might actually be a good recipe for a pullback opportunity. So based on this picture, we could look for a potential pullback. But besides the volatility, guys, you never want to be buying up against resistance. Sometimes, believe it or not, guys, you're better off buying at a higher price as soon as you get price confirmation, okay, as opposed to buying against resistance. Because price confirmation over a key region of resistance at least gives you some level of confidence that, okay, price might actually want to continue. However, when you're buying against resistance, there is a very, very high probability that prices could pull back, and now suddenly you're sitting in blood, which can be a very, very uncomfortable situation. Because on the pullback, where you should be loading up, you're sitting there antsy, wondering, oh shoot, did I make a mistake? I think the next best bid opportunity if prices come down there, it's going to be a gift. It's going to be right here. Okay, the midpoint of the range coming in at $2.39, going all the way down to the top of that dynamic range, coming in at $2.30. And we can see just how well the dynamic support has been played out so far. Now that's outcome number one, where we actually see a pullback into our bid zone. It's moving as we speak, and then a rally to the upside for XRP to get up to new all-time highs. However, given the current bullish momentum that we're seeing on the chart, there is outcome number two. But just a quick aside, for those of you looking to take the trade on XRP, but you're still looking for a good exchange, then definitely check out BitUnix. There's no KYC on there, no country restrictions, so irrespective of where you are, you can put on the trade there. Additionally, if you use the link in the description below, you can get up to 5.5k in deposit bonuses, which you can then use towards your trade. Believe it or not, guys, sometimes it's just better buying higher, knowing that you have that price confirmation and that prices do actually want to start trending even further, versus actually buying at resistance. Because with the former, you at least have confirmation in that the bulls want to take over in earnest. Now, when do I believe the bulls want to take over? As soon as we start closing candles over $2.86. And this is going to be very, very key. I want to see multiple closes over 286. Because if you notice on the daily time frame, not a single candle closed over 286. On the 12-hour time frame, single candle closed over 286. On the 4-hour time frame, not a single candle closed over 286. All right, this is going to be a critical level, so watch for strength over $2.86, preferably on the daily time frame, on the 2-day time frame for me. All right, now I'm already sitting well in position. I did not let go of the XRP bag because I'm just confident on the cycle, which is also why I've been bullish across this entire consolidation, only looking for bid opportunities on the chart. Now, breaking 286, guys, would trigger a massive, massive bull flag. This is likely going to take XRP all the way up to $12.50. As far as immediate targets concerned, then I'm looking at $3.32 as the most immediate target on the chart, given that we actually break 286. From 286 to 332, that's going to be a good 16% on that next move. So here are the two possible outcomes. A dip in 2-hour bid zone, 2-day dynamic once again. We'd be very, very lucky to get that once again. Versus a break of 286, tap at 286, and then off to 332. So you guys have the bids, you have the next immediate target, and you also have the pattern play that we're currently seeing on the chart. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the likes. I will now see you in the Discord chat. With this, trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao, you guys.